Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Bag 40. It's Tipsters Tuesday, and Juju wants to talk glue. Okay, you know I am a self-proclaimed glue snob. I love my Mr. Fabri-Tac so much I call him King Fab. Okay, love my Fabri-Tac. I use it anytime I have fabric and stuff. I don't think anything else is going to work but him. And I'm not satisfied with anything but the King. So that's what I use for that. And we don't want to talk about the glue stick. Y'all know I love me some Scotch Permanent glue stick. The yellow and white glue stick. And I used to get it in the bundle form. But now they done stopped that. You can only get it single if you're lucky. And the price went up on it, and I thought, I gotta try to see if I can find me something different. Well, I tried their other brand, the red and white one. I don't like it any. Well, so I still haven't found my glue stick. I'm gonna use them up though, but I still ain't found my glue stick I like. Okay, now Queen Aline here. This is Aline's clear tacky glue. I love it just as much as I love Aline's tacky glue, the white tacky glue. Okay, anytime I'm doing pockets and fabric and stuff like that, well, pockets I like to use my Fabri-Tac just because I think it'll hold. But paper to paper, I use Queen Aline if I want paper to really hold. Okay, then I like my tacky glue for making my collages and just regular paper stuff, just that kind of stuff. I like that. Okay, here's the tip. The Tombow liquid glue, don't like it. But I used it up, and my mom told me that this works wonders for your Fabri-Tac. So, you got to clean it out real good and wash it out. Because if you don't wash it out, when you put your Fabri-Tac in it, it's going to make a volcano and explode all over the place. So be sure to wash it out real good. And then put your Fabri-Tac in it, and it works wonderful in dispensing your Fabri-Tac. So much so, this is what I use now instead of my other bottle. And so much so that I kind of want to get some more of this so I can add my other glues to it. But it's a little pricey just to be doing that, and I don't like the glue. Okay. Then these bottles here, you get them at the Dollar General. They are wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, and putting out and they're easy to squeeze too for your glues. And then the cap, you see, if you stick it on there, you can keep it turned upside down, and you don't have to worry about trying to beat it and make it come down. Those are wonderful, and they're at the Dollar General. So go get them. They're cheap. You get 2 of them in the pack for like $2.50 or something. Okay. So, that's the glue bottle tip. That's the talking about my different glues. Now, let's get to this situation right here. This glue. This glue will glue Superman to the wall. He won't be able to move. Spider-Man can't help him. Mama told me about this one. And I use it now for when I do my hidden spines and stuff. Or if I feel like I just want to glue something that I don't want Superman to be able to pull off, I use this. Or as my old doctor used to say, glue it, tape it so a gorilla can't pull it off. So, and then I put a little bit of it in this one. So if I have something that I really, really want to glue that I'm working with, I can use it. And it puts out a real light stream. Okay, this last one, game changer for me on my collages. I call it Nana's Glue. It's Nana Creations. It's Sheila recipe, and it's her DIY glue, and it works. It's comparable to art glitter. Not art glitter glue. I just had it. Jesus Christ, yeah. Art glitter glue. Okay. It's comparable to art glitter glue. And it's her. So go over to Nana's Creations and watch her video and get her recipe for it, because it is wonderful and it is a whole lot cheaper than the art glitter glue. And it works wonderful on collages. Y'all saw those videos where the other collage and use this. You saw where I made it up in a big old quart mason jar and used all of it making all those collages. But it is wonderful. So it is my new collage glue. Thank the Lord, because I was using a whole bunch of art glue collagen. Okay. The next thing, now let's say the best two for last. This is the matte medium. It's wonderful. It's a game changer. It works wonderful with my mixed media stuff when you're putting collages down and you're doing stuff. Make your collage stuff you want to. Slap your little matte medium over it, let it dry, and then you can do your inks and paints and whatever you want on your paper, and it stops the bleed through and helps a lot of stuff. So love this matte medium. Okay. The last one and the cool one is the chapstick. You can also use Vaseline. I hadn't tried the Vaseline yet, but I did, use chapstick. You can take it and put it down, like if you want to have a stencil pattern, or if you have a image that you don't want covered up with your mica sprays and DIY sprays and paint sprays that we've been doing, and I call that kind of stuff. You can put this over top of it, do what you want to do, and then wipe it off with a baby wipe, and it comes off. And y'all saw that in my last video on my collage for week 4. That is it for Tipsters Tuesday. That's all I have for you, but it is something. All right. See ya. Bye. Love ya.